what does lifecycle look like in Ethereum? Let me just show you very quickly on ETH for that. So if you go on our block explorer and get the latest transactions, and say you go into the newest transaction, you can see that there's one confirmation so far, and there are a bunch of states that's within, in between the point where you first submit your transaction to when it's confirmed. So typically in Web3, JSON RPC, you don't have so much information as to, oh, is it pending? Has it been replaced? Or which state transaction has it just gone through? Because it could easily go from, say, in block back to pending, and then replace back to unknown. There's a ton of these state transitions that could happen, and we have a blog post for this actually on the 8 things that can happen to your Ethereum transaction, how to navigate them in your app. So this is what we saw as a big problem in Ethereum, and this is where API can solve. So here, how does this lifecycle work? So here we can actually run this query here just in GraphQL. And you can see that it comes in a subscription, so it's a constant stream. And as the state changes for your transaction based on your hash, the information that's returned actually changes. So you can see, you can have a real-time kind of reflection in your front end to say, okay, I sent the transaction, it's now pending, and then, oh, it's been replaced, or it's actually in block confirmed how many times. So this hasn't been done before, and in order to make front-end dApps more interactive and in order to have more sort of reflection to the user and better user experience, we think this is a very cool kind of API to use for that. And that, as far as I've seen, not many dApps have even considered having so much user interaction. So if you can think of some usage in this, that would be really neat, and we look forward to what you can come up with. So back to the examples, this is again something that can get you started from zero to tracking lifecycle in React graphically. And so that's this tutorial here. And it works through crafting the query and setting you up in React with hooks. And if you want even more examples, we have more samples over here. We can set up, in Go, in Python, in TypeScript, more advanced features. You can use Apollo, all kinds of stuff. And if you have any more kind of usages or libraries that you think or languages that you think you want to work in, you can always reach out to us, and we have a very capable team to adapt right to your needs.